Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Life with Revati. Today we are discuss about biobricks using agrowaste with plasmid vectors. Would you know about this topic, biobricks using agrowaste and plasmid vector? And also this topic like biobricks, it is involving engineering technology and how it is possible to produce biobricks with using microbes and all these things I will clarify in the video and don't skip and learn it. First of all, I explain what about this topic. What is problem statement? That ecological pollution is increasing in normally environment and normal bricks is cost is increasing. That's why I take this problem and existing solutions normally increasing environmental pollutions to controlling and low cost of production. We giving team solutions is give low cost and control the pollutions using vector by the biobricks. Then execution that using agricultural waste. This can be good particle for reducing waste and promoting sustainability, and agricultural waste can be repurposable and various ways such as bioenergy production, composting or materials for constructions. Using plasmid vector by the microorganisms to control pollutions and made the engineering building compartment. These are all the following things to producing biobricks. Then let's go and let me know about this process. First of all, title of the team Agrogene Biobricks. Next, I give you short introductions for you about this topic. The work aimed to extend the biobrick standard which define the modular interoperable biological parts to the plasmid vector themselves, and previously constructing new biobricks compatible vector was ad hoc and time intensive, requiring manual redesign from scratch. Biobricks are sustainable building materials using to reduce pollutions and lower the country carbon footprint. It could be made up of different biodegradable and non-degradable waste, for example, agricultural based wastes. And using the microbes in combination with biobricks that are basically turning living cells into programmable biological machines. Microbes severe as the chassis host system, and biobricks provide the genetic instructions. In sustainable and eco-friendly, engineered microbes can replace the chemicals intensive industrial process. For example, microbes biobricks to degrade the plastic or pollutions. For commonly I says, nitrogen fixation microbes with biobricks reduce the need synthesized fertilizers. Outline of the objectives. First of all, select the particles suitable ecological waste. That selected environmental waste to convert the small pieces. That small pieces to mix with solvent like that lime, clay, water, anything. To as well as separated plasmid vector from the microbes to fix the biobricks, and then characterize the which are all the environmental pollution it will be controlling and use the engineering technology. Next, outline of the steps. First, prepare the agrowaste. Second, plasmid vector. Third, bind the particles. Fourth, mixing. Fifth, molding. Sixth, testing biobricks. Then we will see what are all the materials occur here. First, agricultural waste like paddy straw, sugar cane bags, etc. Next, chopper and tank, lime, mixer, molding and dry. This is product outcome of image agro waste biobricks. 24 centimeter width, 10 centimeter length and 7 centimeter of the size. Let's go the procedure for making biobricks from the agrowaste with the plasmid vector. To collected agrowaste to dry and grind sieve, To prepare microbes staining, I used this E. coli and Bacillus subtilis microbes and preparing a culture and separate the plasmid vector by the cloning methods and mold with plasmid and agrowaste. That concentration is 70% of the agrowaste, 25% of the bioblender and 5% of the lime and clays. That molded biobricks to stay 7 to 10 days of drying process. Then next, say, testing of biobricks and testing of biobricks to the temperature, pH and stability of the biobricks. And advantage of the product to creating increase of farmers and provide eco-friendly and cost-effective building materials and plasmid vectors to control the environmental pollutions. And type of applications is building the genetic circuits and technology based agricultural and building the materials to reducing the waste to controlling the pollutions. And the end, biobricks using agrowaste with the plasmid vectors. If you have any questions about this topic biobricks, please ask me and let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for your cooperations.